I'm so excited you decided to learn about Rockwell Automation's motion control in Studio 5000. This trainer uses Allen Bradley's Compact Logix PLC, which is motion capable. And on the back, we have a pair of Kinetix 5300 servo drives and their associated motors. This trainer does use Studio 5000 Logix Designer, which you do have to purchase, and I'll put a link at the end of this video to show you how you can purchase it. And even though this is a motion control trainer, this can do the majority of our Studio 5000 lessons and many of our basic wiring exercises. It comes with 4 push buttons, 2 2-position selector switches, 2 3-position selector switches, and 4 lights that are designed to be wired to your PLC. And the red mushroom button is pre-wired to the safe torque off circuit of the 2 Kinetix 5300 servos. If you need to learn about HMIs, then our HMI Edition does work on this trainer as well. Simply pop your end cap off, slide the leg on, and it'll come with a pre-wired harness that will connect right to the existing trainer wiring. Click here for a playlist with a variety of lessons you can use with this trainer.